No, check this out. No, it's not really a thing, actually. But I just want to say our favorite Australian's here, Michael Chisholm from the Tammy Hits.
Oh, yeah. He's actually in an outtake, and I think he's in the Beat It video a little bit, actually, as well, so that's awesome. And he gets to sit next to William Beckett on the airplane. Come on. So I got a list in front of me that's like it's like a fucking award show right here. And it's awesome because it's all the radio stations that have been playing us down here. And we wanted to thank you guys. We really appreciate it. You've been so receptive to our new record and it means a lot to us. We have Nova, Triple M, and Stereo. And we really appreciate it. We appreciate you guys calling in and bugging them to play this song. And while everyone else is busy writing songs for Obama, we figured that when you got a fucking dick and a Bush in the White House, sometimes you gotta write a song about how they're in love with their sins, I guess. So that's what this song's about. It's called America's Sweethearts.